The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, please keep the people of St. Vincent within your prayers. Yeah, please keep the people of St. Vincent within your prayers. You see? On the 8th of April, year 2021, the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, who goes by the name of Ralph Gonsalves, issued an evacuation order because of increased volcanic activities within St. Vincent. Thousands of people had been told to evacuate and be on the alert because it is believed that volcanic explosions are imminent. See? And there are reports about ships that had been used to move people out of harm's way. Men, women, and children had been seen leaving their homes and evacuating St. Vincent. See? It is said that the name of the volcano is called La Soufrière or La Soufrière. You see me? And just in case if I did not get the pronunciation of the name of that volcano correctly, here's the spelling of the name of the volcano right here. Just in case if I did not pronunciate the name of the volcano correctly. Here's the spelling. See? Thousands of people have been affected by recent volcanic activities within St. Vincent. And for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding as to what I'm saying, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened within St. Vincent because of recent volcanic activities. You see? Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yes, people, watch your man. People are at the board. The people. Look at people. What's your shame? What's your shame? If you're not I want me again. Right.
Like it. Light up the boat. Hi.
Right.
Oh, they got flashlights? You have more of these up in the station? Any more bigger ones in the station? Ever get these in the station? Bring them, tell somebody bring some now. Light up your light officer, please. You have it?
But they should have been
This is the third vessel.
Yeah, because we are the start put them into two different areas.
The fast ferry, the third vessel. Jaden son about to board persons at the Chateaubriand Wall. Hey, how you do? You rich? Thanks, man. Yeah, I realize. We have a boat coming to dock in Cumberland, but that's later. Hey. This is a bit challenging. The sun, the fast ferry has never docked in Chateaubriand before. This one is a bit challenging. The very first time we're having the fast ferry. Yeah. The drivers of the school buses in North Leeward, if you're listening to this live, report to Pettibodel immediately. Those drivers were operating public transportation in North Leeward. Report to Pettibodel playing field immediately. Again, this is not a drill. Those who are driving public transportation, all public transportation, report to Pettibodel immediately. Those who are driving public transportation in North Leeward, again, if you're listening this, or if they're not listening, get the message to them. Those driving public transportation in North Leeward, report to Pettibodel immediately. I've sent personal messages to persons already. If you haven't heard it, please share the information with them. Let them report to Pettibodel immediately. We're taking persons from Pettibodel to Chateaubriand Wharf. I'm asking persons to be prepared to be vaccinated as well. Because once you leave Chateaubriand, you go to an evacuation center. You will also be vaccinated. This is not a drill and it is not voluntary. There's a pandemic that is taking place and we'll be vaccinating persons once they enter a government operated shelter. And I want that to be very clear to persons as well who are listening this live. Alright, I'm gonna end this live. We have to coordinate more transport and get more persons on. I'm unable to live stream all of the events tonight, but we're in the background getting all of the arrangements in place. Alright, so I'm going to end this live now until we have another vessel approaching. We have a lot of phone calls to make to coordinate transportation and logistics. Let me ask all of the drivers to report to Pettibodel, those operators of public transport in North Leeward, to report to Pettibodel at the moment. We have persons to get to Chateaubriand. Tell me.
Some of these elderly who have been it will not be easy to get the ball from. But after that, I can mention those.
Go ahead. Tell them I said to send the wheelchair.
Can you imagine? People have to be leaving their homes, leaving their house, leaving so many things behind. Huh? Can you imagine? Men, women, and children have been seen leaving communities from within St. Vincent. It's rough. It's rough, you know. Viewers and subscribers, keep the people of St. Vincent in your prayers. Keep them in your prayers. Right? And I will see if I can keep a follow-up to see how this whole thing turn out. I only hope for the best. It's rough. It's really rough. It's really rough. Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. And you can let me know what you think about what's going on within St. Vincent when it comes on to the volcanic activities. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall, skilla, entertainment.